Hi students, this is Sokumar. 12th Standard Business Mathematics and Statistics, Chapter number 7, continuation of exercise 7.1. Now problem number 9. Defects in yarn manufactured by a local mill can be approximated by a distribution with a mean of 1.2 defects for every 6 meters of length. The length of 6 meters are to be inspected. Find the probability of less than 2 defects. So defects should be considered as success because you are asked to find out the defective items only. That should be considered as success. At the same time, you are given 6 meters of length, that should be considered as n. N that is equal to 6. Mean that is equal to 1.2. Mean is represented by the formula NP. So n equal to 6, NP equals 1.2. Less than 2 defective items you have to find. Okay. N that is equal to 6, mean that is equal to formula NP that is equal to 1.2, which implies n value 6 into P that is equal to 1.2. Therefore, P that is equal to 1.2 divided by 6 that is equal to 0.2. Therefore, you know the formula for Q that is equal to 1 minus P, that is 1 minus 0.2, that is equal to 0.8. Now write the formula for binomial distribution. Therefore, binomial distribution probability of x equal to x, that is equal to NCx, P power x, Q power n minus x, that is equal to n value 6. You are asked to find out less than 2 defects. Therefore, x less than 2. Less than 2, what are all the numbers? Less than 2, 0 and 1. Because here x that is equal to 0 to n. Less than 2, what are all the numbers? 0 and 1 only. First write that one. Probability of x equal to 0 and probability of x equal to 1. The equal sign must be there, then only you can apply in the formula. What symbol we have? Less than symbol. No chance of applying in that formula directly. The equal sign must be there. So that less than 2, what are the numbers? 0 and 1. Both should be calculated and should be added. So now we can substitute in the formula n value that is equal to 6. N value here it is 6. This is the x value. 6C0 double set of brackets. Here x value is 1, therefore 6C1 double set of brackets. Here P value, here Q value. P value that is equal to 0.2, Q value is 0.8. Here 0.2, here 0.8, here 0.2, here 0.8. Here power x value here it is 0. Here n minus x in the power. 6 minus 0 that is equal to 6. Here power x value here it is 1. Here n minus x in the power. N minus x, 6 minus 1 that is equal to 5. Now we have to simplify. NC0 value 1, therefore 6C0 is 1. Anything power 0 is 1, then 0.8 power 6. NC1 formula is n, therefore 6C1 is 6. 0.2 power 1 that is equal to 0.2 into 0.8 power 5. Here 0.8 power 6, here 0.8 power 5, can take 0.8 power 5 as common. That is equal to 0.8 power 5 as common. So one more 0.8 will be there. 0.8 into 1 into 1 that is 0.8 plus. We have taken 0.8 power 5 as common. 6 and 0.2 will be there. 6 into 0.2. This is 0.8. 0.8 power 5 write as it is, that is equal to 0.8 power 5 into 0.8, 6 into 0.2 that is equal to 1.2. 1.2 equals 0.8 power 5 that is equal to 0.32768. 0.8 plus 1.2 that is equal to 2. Then you have to multiply. If you multiply, you will be getting 0.65536, or else you can write 0.655. Since it is 6, we can add 1 with the previous digit, 3 becomes 4 approximately. The book answer, that is 0.5767, that is wrong. This is a correct answer, change it. So problem number 9 is completed. Then I will be teaching that problem number 10 in the next video. Thank you, children.